Hello everyone, it's Sama here back to you with a new dish. At first, a very Eid Mubarak to you. My today's recipe is specially based on Eid al-Adha, so it's supposed to be a beef curry. The name of this beef curry is Mughlai Beef. Well, the name itself is so royal, so you can obviously imagine how the dish is supposed to be. It's a beef curry with a rich and mesmerizing gravy. Without any more delay, let's move on and check out how to make this Mughlai beef. At first, in a pressure cooker, pour 3 cups or as required amount of water. Next, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons or as per taste salt, 4 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, and then give it a mix. Now add 1 kg of beef pieces and again mix it. Now we turn on the stove and bring a boil to the water. As the water has come to a boil, so we close the lid of the pressure cooker and keep it on stove for 30 minutes or until the beef tenders. Meanwhile, we take some of our ingredients like half a cup of peanuts, or you can also take about 20 cashew nuts. Then we have 4 tablespoons of desiccated coconut. We will chop these 3 green chilies, 4 tablespoons of fresh coriander leaves, 2 tablespoons of mint leaves, 4 tablespoons of lemon juice, 4 tablespoons or as required amount of water. Now we will blend these all items together to make a paste. Here is it, our paste is ready. Look at this consistency. Now back to our pressure cooker. Our beef is ready. Here we turn on the stove and dry out the rest of the water. On the other hand, in a mixing bowl, we take about 1 cup of yogurt, half cup of cream, the blended paste, 2 teaspoons of roasted cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, and 2 teaspoons of whole spices powder. Then we mix them all well. Now add in the cooked beef and again give it a mix. Now in a pan on the stove, we pour half a cup of cooking oil and let it to heat. Now gently drop the beef pieces and fry them to golden brown from all sides. We will preserve that marinade for later use. Now we will transfer the fried beef pieces to a bowl out of the stove. In the same pan, we pour again 1/4 cup of oil, then 1 medium-sized sliced onion. We will fry the onions until they get a golden brown color. Now add the preserved marinade and give it a stir. Then add 1 cup or as required amount of water and keep it covered for 5 to 7 minutes. Then add 1 tablespoon of crushed dried fenugreek leaves, salt as per taste, and stir a bit. And finally is the time to add in the fried beef pieces. Now give it a slight mix and keep it covered for 2 minutes. Here we sprinkle some sugar as per taste and mix it. Now topping it with 5 green chilies and some coriander leaves. Here we cover it and just turn off the flame. Now the curry is prepared. Try this beef curry with naan or paratha or pulao and be sure to tell me in the comment box below as to how was yours. Now hoping that you all liked the video, please hit the thumbs up button down there and do subscribe the channel to stay updated about my new videos. And one more thing, I have written this whole recipe in both Bangla and in English in the description box down there for your convenience. With this, it wraps up my video. Thanking you all, hoping to see you again in the next video.